Ladies and gentlemen, today we are celebrating the World Ocean Day. The theme that the UN has chosen for today is the ocean, life and livelihood. The World Ocean Day is a day for us all to remember the ecosystem, goods and services which the ocean puts restlessly at the disposal of each and every living organism on Earth every night and day. There are so many facts and figures about the ocean which prove that without the ocean, life on Earth would have been extinct. So mindful of that, it is more than compulsory for us to preserve and protect marine lives and its environment, as if the existence of marine lives is to be threatened, then we are threatening our own existence. The UN theme of this year's World Ocean Day is the ocean, life and livelihood, which is a theme full of meaning, shifting the focus on the life and livelihood that the ocean sustains. As the ocean is home to most of the Earth's biodiversity, we as humans must create a new balance and build a connection that is inclusive, innovative, and useful for the ocean and the life inside it. At the MOI, there are various projects which already embody the theme of this year's World Ocean Day, and those projects are also in line with the vision of the government to develop the blue economy. One example is the coastal mapping project. It is a multidisciplinary survey aiming to characterize priority sites in terms of the biology, physical and chemical properties, establishing a baseline of information on the state of our coastal and nearshore waters. These informations are mapped on a geographical information system which facilitates the understanding of the ocean life from all the habitats in a given area and the interrelationship with the biological and physical parameters on which livelihood of many people is associated. Those understandings are of importance if we want to preserve and protect our marine environment. Another project which fits well in the conservation of marine fauna and flora is the assessment of marine living resources in the EEZ of Mauritius using DNA-based technique. We cannot talk about life, that is biodiversity, without emphasizing on the importance of taxonomic identification of marine organisms. With the advent of DNA barcoding concept for identification of organisms, the assessment of biodiversity has become one of the most important and significant scientific tasks as a prerequisite to underpin the conservation of life on Earth. Using the DNA barcoding approach, we have created an online marine biodiversity and genetic database which is available on the web. Other project which aims at the protection of our marine biota is the Port Risk Baseline Survey, Risk Assessment and Ballast Water Management Project, which aims at the detection of the presence or absence of invasive species from ship ballast water in Port Louis and Port-Marchand harbors. The use of biodiversity to sustain human lives need also to be emphasized on this occasion of the World Ocean Day. Marine bioprospecting or biodiscovery is a search for marine natural products that may have potential economic value as pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, nutritional supplements, and functional foods. MOI has taken a leap of faith while embarking on the project, and now we have 50 of our sponge species which have been screened for the anti-cancer, anti-diabetes, anti-Alzheimer, and antioxidant properties. The community-based coral culture in the Republic of Mauritius is another example of livelihood to coastal communities in Mauritius. The MOI, in collaboration with the AFRC, that is the Albion Fisheries Research Center, both under the aegis of the Ministry of Blue Economy, Marine Resources, Fisheries and Shipping, has started a community-based coral culture project in the Republic of Mauritius. The project, which coincides with the government initiative of promoting coral culture as an alternative livelihood for fishermen and coastal communities for conservation of marine biodiversity, has successfully trained over 100 trainees and helped restore more than 1,900 meters square of degraded reefs. Overall, 8,000 coral colonies have been transplanted to 11 coral gardens. So, as you can see, that there are several projects which are being undertaken to preserve and protect the marine environment so that it can still produce livelihoods for our communities and at the same time giving certain edge to the blue economy. I wish to thank the government of Mauritius for giving us all the facilities and the necessary fund for us to undertake all this research. I am also thankful to all the funding agencies such as the European Union, the United Nations Development Programme, the UNEP, and the African Union Commission for the financial support over the years. I now invite you to watch the next video on community-based coral culture, which is an example of an alternative to coastal livelihood. Thank you and happy World Ocean Day.